everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So we've got a new unboxing. Okay, so yeah, here it goes. So you already know the title of the video and also the right. So let's go without further ado. So let's go. Gonna have to open this one. So it seems like my scissor is not okay. Okay, so and yeah, so this one right here is an electronic dictionary, right? So and the brand for this one is Franklin. All right, so this is eBay. Okay, so gonna have to put that one on the floor. So yeah, got some. Okay, where is my okay. All right, so bunch of new videos are coming here in my channel. All right, so okay, we're gonna have to open this one. Okay, this is so I have a electronic dictionary which when I am still in the Philippines, right? So but two electronic dictionaries, so but unfortunately it's not working anymore, even though I put some battery on it, right? So right here is working, right? So the battery is in here, so it has two, I think. Okay, it was hard. Okay, so okay, it hard. Okay, so this go gonna get okay. Oh, nice. Okay, I love this one, Sir Franklin. So I forgot my, so gonna be turning on. Oh, okay, there you go. It's already turning on. You see? Okay, so we've got right here. So just for example, apple. Yeah. Okay, so enter. Okay, rounded fruit with firm white flesh. Oh, no more. Yeah, yeah, nice. Okay, and it's already working, right? So clear. Okay, so again, so right here is also finding a definition. So press, what is that one? um okay, this so all the words in definition are comes from the Merriam-Webster dictionary, right? So yes, and it's also it is a brand is Franklin, right? So Franklin, yeah. So yes, and using my word list and also playing games. So yeah, I remember that my previous electronic dictionary has a right. So okay, yeah. So all right. So let's go gonna have to try again. So let's go gonna have to try some road. Okay, so enter. Okay, open way for vehicles, persons, and animals, right? So nice. Okay, so this is a good one, right? So I think you saw that, yeah. So nice. Okay, and also yeah, really nice. Right? That so gonna have to on and off and then on, right? Previous and next. Okay. All right. So okay, yeah, not so long video for today, right? So I'm gonna have to, but I'm gonna have to make a follow-up video for this one, right? So since I'm gonna be using this one also into my analog everyday carry, right? So all right, so okay, that's it, and also thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned and see you again on the next one. Okay.